Hi everyone, today we are going to make brightening facial lotion. These are the ingredients required. The first one is Gelmaker Nat. This is a cold process emulsifier. The oil used is jojoba oil, which is light and suitable in day 2. This is Panthenol and this is Ethyl Ascorbic acid. The rest face ingredients are in here. It contains hyaluronic acid stock, licorice extract, preservative, turmeric essential oil and vitamin E. I have forgot to mention that Sandalwood E.O is in jojoba oil. Here we have turmeric hydrosol and distilled water. It is a natural emulsifier which has milky liquid color. Adding jojoba oil to the Gelmaker Nat. We'll stir it so that everything is mixed. Now we'll dissolve ethyl ascorbic acid and panthenol in water. You can check my blog for all the information about these ingredients. We'll give this a stir. Vitamin C works as a good antioxidant. Now I'll mix all of these face ingredients. Now I will pour the oil phase into the water phase, that is Gelmaker into the water phase. Actually it needs hand stirring. So I will put it in a bigger beaker so that I can use a hand blender to stir it. This actually got emulsified by stirring it for a couple of times, but anyway I will use the hand blender. Blending it in short bursts for few minutes. Now I am going to add the face ingredients, mix everything and blend it for few minutes. The pH is around 4.5. I'll add few drops of TA to increase the pH to 5.5, which is the stable pH for this emulsifier. Now you can see that it turned into a lotion. I will put it into a serum kind of bottle, which is easy to use for this facial lotion. You can see how smooth it is and it has beautifully emulsified such little amount of oil. If you like the video, please hit like. Thank you for watching.